Plugged in, polarized, fist raised in anger, staring down, don't meet the eyes. Everyone's a stranger, thousand tunes ringing in my ear.
Guru Nation, doing my first monitoring visit of the year, going to a site right now. The theme today is collaborate. Okay, it's funny, I did a video yesterday on all about collaboration, and actually one of my colleagues from the CRO that I work for reached out to me, and she's collaborating, and I'm glad she is, because now we can collaborate on the protocol. I encourage you to do that with your colleagues, because it's always good to network. It's always good to leverage other people's knowledge. She already knows stuff that I wasn't really paying attention to, and vice versa. So it's always good to do that. I'm gonna go into the site. There's been a protocol amendment, so there's gonna be a lot of training and SDV for me to do, but I'll do a video later on. Guru Nation, long day of monitoring. My first monitoring visit of the year. Let's get the good lighting. Is there any good lighting? No, this is what happens when you are monitoring every 6 weeks and you're a contractor, so they don't want to send you more often than that, and you have a bunch of data to review, and there was a new protocol, but I didn't have time to do training because there was like 15 visits I had to SDV. I had to go back to all my previous action items because the site has a lot of action items often, and so that just took the whole day. But basically, it's important to collaborate. My colleague CRA that I talked about in the beginning of the video, I didn't actually talk to her today. I was too busy to talk to anybody today. But she was able to point some things out, so I was able to actually do a better job today at my visit, and was able to catch some things that I didn't catch last time, all because she reached out to me and decided that we should collaborate and network. So this is the theme for this year, is collaboration. Some teachable moments here. When you have a site visit and there's a protocol amendment, make sure that you email the site prior to your visit and encourage them to conduct the training before you get there. That's going to save you at least 30 to 45 minutes of your time, or you're just going to have to do what I do, or what I did, and not conduct the training because I just didn't have time, and the SDV and the regulatory comes before training. Although if it's a problem site, you have to do the training, but be proactive, do that, and then just work quickly, like have a system. The CRA coach that I interviewed 3 or 4 times, he talks about life hacks that you can do. Refer to your previous monitoring visit reports, copy it, don't delete it like I did before and lose your work, and then just have a system, get efficient. You'll get better at it. This was my 4th monitoring visit at this site, and I actually finished it quicker than any other visit I've done at this site. Another teachable moment I forgot to mention is pay attention to the appendix section of the protocol, because sometimes there's important things in there, especially when you're working with biotechs, and they may not realize that they should put the important stuff in the protocol. Sometimes they just put it in the appendix. It's important. This is one of the things I learned from my colleague. So just do that. And just a quick life hack for you brand new CRAs or coordinators. If you find an error that you missed, check all the other visits for that same error, because chances are you may have missed that one too. Long day. We'll vlog more tomorrow as I take off my monitoring hat and put on my site director business development consulting hat for the next 2 or 3 weeks, and then I have another monitoring visit, and I'll have some more teachable moments for you. Another quick teachable moment that I almost forgot. I don't know how I forgot, because the theme is collaboration. This was probably the most perfect example of collaboration. The PI at the site that I was monitoring at, he knows I own sites, and he knows that I do biz dev, and he wanted to collaborate on sharing studies and sharing opportunities. And so I got his phone number, and we are going to put Monica in touch with him and start this year off right. You do the same.